Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix the application was unable to start correctly 0xc000007b here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step is at the start icon, please do a right click, scroll up, and then go with Task Manager. So just have to wait until a new window called Task Manager itself will appear. Just have to expand it first and proceed to the right side of your screen. There you go. You have to look for Run New Task at the upper right of it. Just have to click on it and then you need to go with the small window. Now here you would be able to see options which are cancel and browse. Just have to click on browse. And the moment you've the click on it, you would be redirected here at the File Explorer location. Just have to go with Windows. And here you need to scroll down and look for System 32. Okay? So I can find it here next to System. Just have to double tap it. And this time you need to proceed on finding CMD. Okay? So just have to be careful and be keen on finding such since there are a lot of application or file folder listed here. So I can see it here next to cloud notification. Just have to click on it and then click on open. So here you need to add an extension which is space dash dash update. So once you are done typing, just have to click on OK. And the moment you click on it, you would be redirected here in this new window. Just have to close the Task Manager window first so that you'd be able to focus on this new window. Here you need to type for GP update. Okay. Again, type GP update and then click on enter and wait until the process will be done. Okay. So it is now updating the policy, and once it states here computer policy update has completed successfully and the user policy has been completed successfully, then you need to close this window and then proceed to our next step. So our next step would be here at the bottom search bar. You need to type for control panel. So the moment you've typed that, a system called control panel itself will appear. You just have to click on open to proceed. And here at the control panel window, if your window doesn't look like this, please proceed to view by and change that into category. Once done, you can see an option called there programs. Just have to click on it. And here under the programs and features, you'd be able to see a text which is in blue, highlighted in blue, called turned Windows features on or off. Just have to click on it. And the moment you've click on it, a new window which is called Windows features will appear. Okay, now here you need to look for .NET Framework 3.5 includes .NET 2.0 and 3.0. Just have to mark this. If in your case this box is unmarked, just have to click on it and then you need to click on OK. So once you have the click on OK, there you would be able to be redirected to the downloading of the required files. Just have to wait until they set up or until the process will be done. And once you're done, you need to proceed on our next step. So our next step will be you need to open your Google Chrome or whatever browser that you have. Okay. And here at the search bar or the Windows search bar, you need to type for DirectX space under user runtime web installer. Okay. And you would be redirected here. Okay. Just have to choose the website, which is Microsoft.com, since it's secured and safe to access with. Okay, once you are being redirected here at the DirectX End-user runtime web, just have to go with the select language. Just have to click this down arrow and select the language that you prefer or that you have to understand. Okay, so in my case, I'll be going with the universal language, which is English, and then click on download once you're done. Okay, so just have to wait until this DirectX end user runtime will be downloaded. Okay, so I can see it here. It is being done. Okay, just have to click this arrow so that you would be able to proceed by installing the DirectX end user runtime. Okay, so your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes so that you would be able to proceed on installing this DirectX end user runtime. Okay, So here it asks you to agree on the terms and the license terms. Just have to go with I accept the agreement and then simply click on next. Okay, here you need to click on next and now it is installing components. Okay, so just have to wait until the process will be done and there you have that. Okay, so that's it. Check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, but before that, you need to restart your computer and check if your problem has been fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video helps, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care, everyone.